Hi, I'm Otto Katrina, your 2011 Bay East President. I am excited about 2011, our new leadership team, and our We Are Bay East theme. Our officers are passionate and excited about 2011. I'd like to share a few topics as it relates to our upcoming year. The first is strategic planning. Our 2010 Strategic Planning Committee consisted of 18 members selected from the officers, directors, past presidents, chairs, and vice chairs. We met throughout 2010 and created the strategic plan for 2011 with a 3 to 5 year plan in mind. Our strategic plan was put together as a result of a membership survey. This resulted in 4 areas of focus. 1, leadership. We will cultivate leadership that promotes our members' success. 2, professionalism, to uphold the National Association of Realtors' professional and ethical standards. 3, communication, deliver effective communication to our members and the public. And 4, association services, education, technology, and transaction services. Offer affordable, innovative, and value-added services and products that reduce your costs and increase your productivity. 2011 will be the year of turning the soil and preparing the ground for fresh seed for new growth in the years to come. The other topic is the mission, the vision, and value statements of the association. The mission of the Bay East Association of Realtors is to help our members succeed as real estate professionals. Our vision is to set the standard in innovation, professionalism, leadership, and service. Our values consist of collaboration, integrity, vision, innovation, and leadership. A great quote from the book Strategy and the Fat Smoker says, "You don't have a purpose or a mission or even a set of values when you declare them. You have them when you put them in place. You will have consequences for non-compliance." Our goals for 2011 are mission-driven. To have dialogue, not monologue, with our members. To have good communication that will go viral. To share the message about the value in membership. To build and maintain a cohesive and a collaborative leadership team. And to focus on relationship building and connecting with you, our members. The leadership team will be making office visits to meet with our members to bring valuable information to them and to listen to their concerns, their comments, and suggestions. And our most important mission is to respect for each other's style. In closing, your leadership team is dedicated to accountability and improving the organization. We will act and live by the principles we advocate. We will act as role models that people want to copy. We will be a team of integrity. We will enforce the values of the association. I would like to leave you with one other quote from the book The Soul of Leadership, Unlocking Your Potential for Greatness by Deepak Chopra. Positive connection in business is slipping away and disengagement is on the rise. Working on a connected team galvanizes people in ways nothing else can. I'm asking you, please, get connected, get engaged, take some risk, be vulnerable, and most importantly, let's have some fun in 2011. We are Bay East. Thank you very much.
We are Bay East.